This is the elevator at the UPMC Outpatient Center on East 38th Street in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's an older Otis one from the 80s sometime. It's red on the outside, and it's a red lantern. I guess it's a red one. The drop key was on the right side, but the door opens to the right. That's weird. But I've seen that on older 80s Otis's first there's one ground. That's an LED, a white LED. Here it is. Your ground, which is burned on the indicator. Go to 2, which can be cut off. I think door close is broken, but there's no fire service, so I guess it doesn't matter. Interior lock. Here 2. Certificate stopped in 1985. A no phone, old Otis sign sticker. It's a basic fake green cab with a bunch of signage. Here back at 1. Most likely COVID related signage. It didn't chime that time, that's weird. Didn't even light up. This thing takes forever to close. Oh, it didn't take that long that time. We're on the ground floor. That closed nothing yet. Yes.